Hello and welcome to another episode of Iky Wellness Tips. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful world of superfoods. These are nutrient-dense foods that play a crucial role in maintaining good health. We'll be revealing some remarkable superfoods that you can easily incorporate into your diet. Stay tuned as we unveil these nutritional powerhouses. So what exactly are superfoods and why are they so super? Well, superfoods are nutrient powerhouses that pack large doses of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. They're referred to as super because of their potential to fuel your body and boost your health. Now that you know what superfoods are, let's dive into some examples. First up on our superfoods list is kale. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with vital minerals and antioxidants. Fancy a kale smoothie for breakfast? Or perhaps a crispy kale salad for lunch? You could even sneak it into a pasta sauce for dinner. Here's a quick recipe. Sauté kale with garlic and olive oil, then sprinkle with a dash of sea salt. Adding kale to your diet is a great way to boost your health. Next, we have the antioxidant-rich blueberries. These little berries pack a powerful nutritional punch. They are chock full of antioxidants, which are known to fight off harmful free radicals in the body. There are countless ways to enjoy blueberries. Add a handful to your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or use them to top off a salad. Here's a quick recipe. Try combining blueberries with Greek yogurt and honey for a delightful parfait. Incorporating blueberries into your meals can be both tasty and beneficial. Quinoa is another versatile superfood you should consider. It's a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. Plus, it's packed with fiber, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Cooking quinoa is a breeze, and it's perfect for adding substance to salads or substituting for rice. Try a zesty quinoa salad with fresh veggies for a delightful nutrient-packed meal. Quinoa is a superfood that adds both nutrition and variety to your meals. Let's not forget about the nutrient-dense avocado. This superfood is a treasure trove of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, making it a perfect addition to any meal. When choosing avocados, look for a slightly soft feel and dark color. They can be sliced for salads, mashed for guacamole, or even blended into smoothies. Try whipping up some avocado toast for a simple, nutritious treat. Avocados are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Last but not least, we have chia seeds, a tiny nutritional powerhouse. These seeds pack a punch with their high content of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, crucial for heart and digestive health. They're versatile too. Add them to smoothies for a nutrient boost, stir into yogurt for a delightful crunch, or soak overnight for a satisfying chia pudding. Try a delightful chia seed recipe today. Chia seeds may be small, but their health benefits are immense. To recap, superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that can provide significant health benefits. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Until next time, keep experimenting with these superfoods and enjoy the health benefits they offer.